Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I roller set my hair. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay guys, so I start by putting in my leave-in conditioner, some hair oil, and my moisturizing growth lotion. And then these are the pins that I use to hold my rollers. The one at the top I love, the one at the bottom I hate. So yeah. Moving on, I'm gonna take my, what is this called, a twist turby off my head, and then I'm gonna proceed to combing out my hair very gently. It doesn't look gentle in this clip because I spread the clip up, but yeah, very gently comb your hair, especially when it's wet. Your hair is very fragile when it's wet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my leave-in conditioner all over my head, especially on the ends, and then I'll go in with the shea oil afterwards and apply that all over my hair, especially at the ends. You want to give a little bit of extra love to your ends because they're the oldest part of your hair and therefore the driest part as well. And my hair is super dry, which is why I'm really laying in the moisture. And whenever I moisturize my hair like this, I don't have to do it for the entire week again, which is gold for me because I'm always like super busy. So moisturizing my hair like this leaves it moisturized for the entire week, and I have very dry hair, so it's kind of okay for me to go in with that much moisture. If your hair is not as dry as mine, then you want to like adjust the amounts accordingly. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair. This is not like a middle part, it's kind of like a side part, and then I'm gonna do that on either side of my head and go ahead and section off the front portion. You always want to make sure you're combing your hair thoroughly through, and because I am super tall, I'm gonna have to stoop for you guys a little bit because the camera is up as high as it can possibly go. But yeah, I'm gonna stoop a little bit because I'm like 6 feet tall here. So you want to make sure your ends are nice and flat on the rollers first and foremost, and then you want to go ahead and continue rolling. You see this hair being rude? Ugh. Anyway, continue rolling down all the way down and hold the roller as close to your scalp as possible. If your hair starts to slide off, you can just pop it back on the roller, but make sure everything is nice and flat. Hold the roller as close to your scalp as possible. Then you're gonna go ahead and pin it. And I'm gonna show you guys 2 more of these, and then I'm gonna go all the way back down the middle, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do the sides as well. So moving on to the second one, same concept applies. Section off that small portion for the roller, and I'm using different kind of rollers here. My hair is obviously very long, especially in the middle, so I use the larger rollers for that portion. I will leave the colors of the roller and their sizes in the description box. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pin this roller, section off the other part, and I'm gonna go all the way down the middle at first. I wasn't too in love with the way that second roller looks, but I fixed it after I saw it at the end of the video. But yeah, ends nice and flat on the roller, and you keep rolling down and go all the way down the middle, and then I'm going to show you guys how I do the sides next. So that's what the middle looks like. Now to the sides, I go ahead and start at the second roller and section my hair down. That section usually ends right behind my ear. It's not the straightest part, but it gets the job done. And then I'm going to go ahead and section that part into 2. Comb your hair thoroughly through. Always want to comb your hair completely out, no knots or anything. I'm going to go ahead and take this roller and I'm going to lay the ends nice and flat, and then roll as close as possible, and then I'm going to snap that cover on. I feel like these rollers are better if you're a beginner. Okay, I'm doing the same thing here, combing the section all the way through, laying my ends nice and flat on the roller, and roll close to your scalp as possible and snap that cover on. The next section is kind of going to look like a triangle. So here I'm combing it all the way through. Laying my ends nice and flat and rolling all the way towards my scalp as close as possible. Once I'm finished with this section, I'm going to proceed to the other side. If the other side of your hair starts to get a little bit dry, you can get a spray bottle with water and a little bit of your leave-in conditioner and then just spray that side to make it wet. You want to make sure your hair is damp. Not dripping wet, but like make sure it's wet enough to where your ends can just lay on the roller. So I'm going to finish this side off camera and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what the finished product looks like. So here I'm taking my ORS oil sheen and I'm going to just spray my head. So you guys, my apologies for the lighting in this section of the video, but my camera battery died and I had to grab my phone, and my phone does not adjust to the lighting as well as the camera does. So yeah, I'm sorry for the lighting, but here I'm just taking my rollers down. You can notice that my hair is dry. You can see it falling off the rollers. Yeah, you definitely know it's dry. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those rollers on my scalp since my hair is already sectioned off perfectly for me to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair. If you guys would like to see how I wrap my hair, I do have a video on that. I will leave it at the end of this video, so you guys can go ahead and watch that if you would like. If there are any other suggestions that you guys have for hair videos that you would like to see, you can definitely leave that in the comments. And I will definitely go ahead and try to film that video for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to oil your edges as well. And that is what I pretty much do after I go ahead and wash my hair, you guys. My wash day routine is also up on the channel. I will leave that video at the end of this one as well. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.